Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reset your Etsy password. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Etsy if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have categories where you can check out all of your categories. You have the search box where you can type in any single item that you would like to find. And in the top right corner, everything about your account, as you can go and see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset your Etsy password. So one way to do it is to go to the top right corner and click on, of course, your profile. Then click on your account settings. And here in the security and privacy, you can go and change your password, which you can go and click here, as you can see. So change password in the account. But guys, of course, if you cannot go and enter your account, and that is why you want to go and change it, then it will be like this. So you just need to go and click on the forgot password here. You'll then need to go and type in your mail. Then after typing your mail, you'll need to go, guys, and of course, type in your password, and that's how you can also reset it as the second option. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.